Hi, I'm Ben Lightburn, CEO and co-founder of Filament Health. Recently, we were issued our 4th patent for the extraction and standardization of psilocybin and other psychedelic compounds from natural psychedelic species. I thought I'd take a minute to sit down and explain, what does this actually mean? What are patents? What do they give you? Why can they be controversial in the psychedelics industry? What other companies are doing? And what makes Filament Health's strategy unique? A patent is an exclusive right over a technology or invention that is given out by a government. A patent needs to be useful, inventive, and novel in order to be granted. In addition, in general, you cannot patent naturally occurring things. There are several different kinds of patents and patent applications. Normally, companies will start with a provisional patent application. Literally, all this involves sometimes is copying the page of a lab notebook and sending it to the patent office. It protects very, very, very little. Next, what happens is you convert the provisional patent application into a non-provisional patent application. Now it essentially gets into the queue to be reviewed by the patent office. Eventually, if successful, the non-provisional patent application turns into a patent. This means that a patent examiner reviewed your application, often after a few rounds of back and forth with the applicant, deemed it novel, useful, and inventive, and then issued the patent. Why are patents controversial in the psychedelics industry? This is because traditional drug development IP approaches involve patenting novel molecules that are invented for the first time. But since psychedelic compounds are naturally occurring and also have been known for decades, they are not possible to patent. This has led to companies coming up with a myriad of different solutions to try to overcome this conflict. Some companies make it seem as if they had patented the molecules themselves, even though, because I said that they are naturally occurring, this is not possible. In addition, they may try to patent various aspects of the therapy, which again may have been known for a very long time. Some well-known examples include the patenting of the color of the room, or the music playing in the background, or even touching the subject below the elbow. Hard to believe, isn't it? Another approach, which is quite common, is the development of new molecules that are not found in nature. Often these are compounds that are similar to the naturally occurring ones, but different in some way. This means that they are in fact patentable. You will hear companies say that these new molecules have some kind of therapeutic benefit over the original or classical molecules. But until these benefits are proven in human clinical trials, it's good to remain skeptical and ask yourself, is this really to come up with a better therapy, or is it really in order to be able to get a patent? At Filament, our mission is to see safe, natural psychedelics in the hands of everyone who needs them as soon as possible. Before Filament, there were no pharmaceutical-grade natural psychedelic drug candidates. The technologies that we have developed have enabled them for the very first time. Our patent strategy is focused on protecting our innovative technologies which have enabled natural psychedelic drugs for the very first time. It is not, nor will it ever be, focused on patenting compounds. We believe that our strategy provides a very good balance between being respectful of prior human knowledge as well as providing an attractive platform for investment. It's worth remembering that without investment, no psychedelic therapies will ever be developed. I hope this has been a useful discussion around what are patents, why they can be controversial in the psychedelics industry, what strategy other companies have come up with, and what makes Filament Health unique. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for your time.